Today we are going to be reviewing the Coleman Lazy Spa Inflatable Hot Tub we just received today from Amazon. So let's take a look at how we all put this together. Well, we haven't gone too far, but the little boy really likes it already. Alright, so the big box becomes two smaller boxes, a bag with some type of a wrench and maybe a patching thing, not sure yet, and then this guy right here. So this is what you find in one of the boxes. Must be the main spa piece. I'm guessing, not really sure what this is yet because I have not found any directions to any of this yet. So we'll see what happens. The other box here, it looks like it has all the parts and components for the pump and heating unit. Alright, so first we're going to place down the air pad protector, which goes on the bottom of the spa. Next, we're going to go ahead and place the spa right on top of it, and we're going to get it all spread out to the right shape. Alright, I can't even get it set up before he wants to get in. You like it? Alright, here is the heater for the spa, and it also provides an air pump in it to fill up the spa itself. So let's get this hooked up and see how well it works. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and pump up the spa. So we have to open up the valve right here, take our gauge, that will be checking the air pressure. Get it nicely attached, and then take the inflation hose that they provided, hook it on there like so. Now we're just going to go ahead and power up the pump. Alright, so now that we have the pump powered up, we're going to press this button right here to get it inflated. Alright, so now that it's all fully pumped up, we're going to go ahead and detach the pumping air valve, and then we're going to go ahead and attach the different components to the spa itself. Alright, so now we have all the piping attached. Now we're going to go inside and open up the three valves that are for the filter and for letting the water in. Alright, now that we have the covers off, you will find the ones that have the thread on them and go ahead and attach the two different filters onto them. Alright, now that the filters are put in place, now it's time to fill the spa. Now we're just filling the spa up with some fresh water. So I ended up getting a little busy and forgot to finish up the review on the spa almost over 2 years ago. So here's it today, 2 years later after first installation, still working really well, holding it very nicely, everything looks really nice on it still, just a little bit of dirt, not too much. Only thing that we're really having is just the screen is getting a little scratchy, but that's literally the only thing that I've had problems with. Alright, so now I have the cover off to my spa. Comes with the chlorine float, and as you can tell, after 2 years of use, it's still looking in a really good shape. So one of my first concerns I had with the spa when I was first ordering was how deep the actual water would be at the maximum height they recommend. You can see here that the maximum height of the water, it is 21 inches deep. Every so often you need to come into the spa and clean out the filters. They're very easy to come off. All you do is just twist them. Sorry, the bubbles are making it hard to see. Very simple one-handed twisting. Comes on out really nice. To open these up, it's really simple. You just unscrew the top part, Put that to the side, flip it over, shake it out, and there's your filter. And all you gotta do is, I know technically you can replace them, but I still have it over 2 years. I've just gone and used a hose and just sprayed out any of the junk and put it back on, and it has worked quite well for me. Alright, let me show you a couple other features about the pump and heater. When you come on over here, you're going to see that it always is locked, so no one's going to go up and little kids are going to mess around with the heater or the pump. Just hold down the unlock button for a few seconds. Then you're going to come around here, you're going to see this button right here. This creates bubbles in the spa. Let me show you how that works. You can change the temperature settings to Celsius or Fahrenheit. This button right here tells you whether or not you have the heater on. So if it's blacked out, if the heat's not on, that shows the heat's going. You can go up to 104 degrees max, and this is the filter pump. So you turn that off, pump is not running, turn that on, pump is working, get the heat on, and these two buttons raise and lower the temperature that you're setting it at. So you can bring it up to lower temperatures, so you can rise it up to 104 degrees. This button right here allows you to set the amount of time that the heater will be running for. I like to just press down, it brings you up to 48 hours, or if you want, you can put it for a couple hours at a time. One thing I have noticed is that it takes about 1 hour to increase the temperature in this thing by 1 degree. So if you want to use it, you need to be prepared and have the thing set early enough to raise the temperature. Thank you for watching my 2-year in process review of the spa. This is 2 years of usage, outdoors 24/7, so you can see this thing is held up very well, so I would highly recommend it for the price. I did mention that the heating element takes about 1 hour for every single degree to increase, so I'm going to be doing some follow-up videos where I am adding some extra installation and playing around with it, trying to increase the speed in which it heats up. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.